Now is the time has come and it is now. Mama Mary to shine splendidly. This is the time of great difficulties. Confusion surrounds, disturbance to the stillness of our soul. So this is the time that all must see that Mama Mary will really shine universally. We just have to remember that God is around. We just have to recall the Holy Bible. Patience, patience, patience is knocking right in our doorstep. Believe that Mama Mary will shine. The heartbeat of my mission is the blessedness of the covenant of God. This is not a pointless venture, but makes my life worthily. We just have to remember that God is around. We just have to recall the Holy Bible. Patience, patience, patience is knocking right in our doorstep. Believe that Mama Mary will shine. The rainbow on the sky never die. It is universally sovereign that mothers the Catholic Church. Your holiness radiates your graces, your divineness, your glory, O God. Your teardrops on the cross means you are so victorious. So you must shine, you must shine, you must shine around the world in the whole universe. Mama Mary will surely shine. This is the time to rise. Mama Mary will shine. This is the time that all will bow down and kneel down to proclaim that Mama Mary is the treasure in heaven, the keeper of God's wealth, the mother of God, the mother God.